So, hi everyone, it's that time of the month, and let me give you all a very short and quick Nykaa haul. And this is definitely recommended for all the oily skin and acne prone skin girlies out there. So, let's start. So, the first thing which I got hands on is this Aha Glow Face Wash Gel. This was earlier recommended by my dermat. It has glycolic acid in this and it decently helps to exfoliate your skin. And I think it also helps in little bit of depigmentation of your skin and fading of acne marks. Then second thing which I got hands on is this Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. It is gentle on your skin and I think most of you must already be using this. Then the moisturizer comes. I started using this Episoft AC Moisturizer. It is micro encapsulated with sunscreen. It is non-comedogenic in nature. It is broad spectrum sunscreen encapsulated. And I think this is very lightweight and keeps your skin very light and non-greasy. And you can use it in your day-to-day lives. And if you're office going, I think this will suit you well. Then the best part of this haul comes. This is tinted sunscreen. I have recently purchased this Requil one. This is Requil Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen. And I think this is the most favorite part of my purchase. I think it suits all Indian skin tone. It is very matte finish. You don't need to use any BB cream, CC cream, foundation or anything and you can go. Very lightweight. Then also recently I've purchased this UV Dew sunscreen. This is also water resistant and matte finish and this is also non-comedogenic and this suits my acne prone skin really well. So I use it actually alternately. I use 1 or 2 days the Requil one and then other 2 days the UV2 one. And I think it works. Then for the nighttime skincare, first time I have tried to incorporate this cleansing oil. This minimalist cleansing oil. It has marula oil in it and I've used it only 3 to 4 times now, but I think it decently helps to remove all the impurities from your skin. And I think for my acne skin, this was required. Last but not the least, Minimalist B5 moisturizer. This I have kept for my nighttime skin routine, and this is where I think very lightweight, and it also has copper, zinc, magnesium, hyaluronic acid, and betaine. This is very oil-free, lightweight, and I think it decently works. So this was it. I hope you guys liked it. And if you have any recommendation, then you can give for me for my oily skin or acne prone skin. Tell what you guys have restocked from the Nykaa sale. See you again. Bye bye.